lahat ng luha, lagi kang may kasama sa gitna ng ulan. Karamay mo ako, kaibigan, sa tatahakin mong daan. Hindi kita iiwan, hindi ka na mag-iisa, kaibigan. Ating pagkakaibigan, di magbabago kailanman. 朋友不真孤单过，一生朋友你会懂。kahit na magkalayo, nandito ka sa aking puso.
All I wish, sana bago may lumabas, we learn each day to love each other more. Amen.
Ating pagkakaibigan, di magbabago kailanman. 朋友不真孤单过，一生朋友你会懂。kahit na magkalayo, nandito ka sa aking puso. 이치와 이 페이지 magkaibigan kahit kailan.
So we talked all night about the rest of our lives, where we're gonna be when we turn 25. I keep thinking times will never change, keep on thinking things will always be the same. But when we leave this year, we won't be coming back. No more hanging out, cause we're on a different track. And if you got something that you need to say, you better say it right now, cause you don't have another day. Cause we're moving on and we can't slow down. These memories are playing like a film without sound. And I keep thinking of that night in June. I didn't know much of love, but it came too soon. And it was me and you, and then we got real blue. Stay at home talking on the telephone, and we would get so excited and we'd get so scared, laughing at ourselves, thinking life's not fair. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. So if we get the big jobs and we make the big money, when we look back now, will our jokes still be funny? Will we still remember everything we learned in school? Still be trying to break every single rule? Will little brainy Bobby be the stockbroker man? Can he ever find a job that won't interfere with the tan? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye. Keep on thinking it's our time to fly. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our tomorrow like we think about now? Can we survive it out there? Can we make it somehow? I guess I thought that this would never end, and suddenly it's like we're women and men. Will the past be a shadow that will follow us round? Will these memories fade when I leave this town? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye. I keep on thinking it's our time to fly. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change, come whatever, we will still be friends forever. As we
No one told you life was gonna be this way.